Hi, I'm Kyle Neeson with Roadtec, and today we are standing in front of the RP-195 Paver. One special highlight that we want to show on this machine is our Guardian Telematics System. So it has two-way communication. Whether you're in your office or in your truck or on another job site, you can log into this machine and not only see what it's doing, but actually interact with it and help your crew out. On display here, we have a TopCon system, and you can reset the TopCon automation system from the device here in front of the machine without ever actually touching the machine.